per hour. And for Friday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of rain, snow and freezing rain after midnight. Lows in the lower 30s. Chance of precipitation 40%. And now, taking a look at the alarm device at this weather radio station. During potentially
to NOAA Weather Radio in Bridgeport, Ohio on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm
receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each one.
Specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these storms to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon.
Washington and Westmoreland and in northern West.
3-5 serves the following counties in east central Ohio: Athens, Belmont, Carroll, Columbiana, Coshocton, Guernsey, Harris.
Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast.
In Washington, Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, Ohio, Pleasants, Ritchie, Tyler, Wetzel, Word, and Wood. And finally, these counties in southwestern Pennsylvania
Of Greene and Washington. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. You are listening. 525 megahertz. To warn of impending hazards. Waves 1 to 3 are conducted by the National Weather Service between and off the radio station WWF 35. Morgan, Muskingum, Noble, Tuscarora, and Washington. And these counties in northern West Virginia: Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, Ohio, Pleasants, Ritchie, Tyler, Wetzel, Word, and Wood. And finally, these counties in southwestern Pennsylvania of Greene and Washington. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. Now here is the